Did you know that the technologies developed for space are not only changing how we explore the universe, but also transforming life right here on Earth? From artificial intelligence guiding spacecraft to 3D printing structures on the moon, these innovations are shaping the future of humanity beyond our planet. Today, we're counting down the top 10 space technologies revolutionizing exploration. Number 10. Reusable rockets. For decades, launching into space meant burning billions literally. But companies like SpaceX's Falcon 9 and Blue Origin's New Shepard-proved rockets can be reused multiple times. This drastically cuts launch costs, making space more accessible than ever. Imagine buying a plane ticket every time a jet gets thrown away. Now imagine never having to do that again. That's the revolution happening right now. Number 9. Space robotics and rovers. Think of NASA's Perseverance rover on Mars or Canada's iconic Canadarm on the International Space Station. These robots handle repairs, explore extreme environments, and even look for signs of ancient life. Without them, much of modern space science would be impossible. Number 8. AI and machine learning in space. Artificial intelligence isn't just for self-driving cars, it's steering spacecraft, analyzing massive datasets, and even detecting anomalies in real time. AI allows missions to adapt without waiting for human commands, which is critical when signals to Mars take 20 minutes to arrive. Number 7. 3D printing in space. Launching building materials from Earth is expensive. Enter 3D printing, which allows astronauts to manufacture tools, spare parts, and even potential habitats directly on the Moon or Mars using local resources. Imagine printing a house on the lunar surface using moon dust. This isn't science fiction. NASA and ESA are already testing it. Number 6. Space suits of the future. Forget bulky old suits. NASA's new Artemis Z suits are lighter, more flexible, and provide better life support systems for astronauts exploring the moon. They're designed for longer missions, tougher environments, and even Mars exploration. Number 5. Solar sail propulsion. Instead of burning fuel, solar sails use photons from the sun to propel spacecraft. The Light Sail to Mission by the Planetary Society proved it works. This could enable near-endless travel across deep space without traditional fuel. Number 4. Nuclear propulsion and power. Solar power is great near Earth, but for Mars or beyond, nuclear technology is key. NASA and DARPA are working on nuclear thermal propulsion to cut travel time to Mars in half. Nuclear reactors may also power future moon bases, providing continuous energy in the long lunar nights. Number 3. Space habitats and life support systems. Living in space isn't just about floating in zero gravity and taking pictures of Earth. Survival requires solving one of humanity's hardest challenges, creating self-sustaining habitats. On Earth, air, water, and food are abundant. In space, every drop and every breath must be managed. On the International Space Station, ISS, engineers recycle up to 90% of wastewater into drinking water, including condensation and urine. Nothing is wasted. Tomorrow's missions will need even more. Future stations, like those planned by Axiom Space or China's Tiangong, are developing closed-loop life support systems that recycle not just water, but also air and possibly food waste. Think of them as mini Earth's compact ecosystems sustaining humans for years without constant resupply. These systems are essential for life on the Moon or Mars. Number 2. Satellite megaconstellations. If the internet changed the world, imagine what thousands of satellites working together could do. This is the power of satellite megaconstellations, vast networks orbiting Earth in sync. Projects like SpaceX's Starlink and OneWeb already launch hundreds of satellites, building a global web of connectivity. Their first goal: bring high-speed internet everywhere from remote deserts to the open ocean. But for space exploration, they're far more. Mega constellations will provide navigation and communication backbones for astronauts on the Moon and Mars. Imagine live streams from Mars in real time or instant communication with Earth via satellite relays. On Earth, these networks will track climate change, monitor disasters, and strengthen defense. Today's launches are laying the digital foundation for tomorrow's space colonies. Number 1. James Webb Space Telescope and Next-Gen Telescopes. Launched in 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope JWST is humanity's time machine. Orbiting a million miles away, it peers back over 13 billion years to the universe's first galaxies. Its infrared vision has revealed stars forming, planets taking shape, and the atmospheres of distant worlds. But Webb is only the start. NASA is planning next-gen telescopes like LOVEWAR and HABEX to go further hunting for Earth-like planets and analyzing their atmospheres for life. Imagine discovering another Earth with oceans, skies, and maybe even biology. These telescopes could finally answer the biggest question: are we alone? From self-sustaining habitats to swarms of satellites and telescopes that see back to the dawn of time, these technologies aren't just tools, they're steps toward humanity's future among the stars. Space exploration is no longer about quick visits. It's about building a future where humans can live, thrive, and expand beyond Earth. So, which excites you most, drinking recycled water in a habitat, using internet on Mars, or finding a new Earth? Share your thoughts, like, and subscribe to Top 10 Explorer for more journeys into the future of space technology.